Sociology. So, what is sociology? Sociology is the study of society, the groups of people within society, and the institutions within our society. For the A-level course, we look at families and households, education, the media, and crime and deviance. Within all of these topics, we look at different groups of people. So we look at class, age, gender, and ethnicity. We look at how they're affected by these institutions, whether that's a positive way or a negative way. We also look at how these institutions have changed over time and the effects that this has had on society, as well as the different groups of people. We also look at sociological theory and method. So this is the stances people take with a view of society, and we also look at how sociological research is actually carried out. In terms of assessments, you have 3 exams at the end of year 13. They're all 2 hours long. You have education with theory and methods for paper 1. Paper 2 is topics, and we do families and households and media. And paper 3 is crime and deviance with theory and methods. There is no other form of assessment, just these 3 exams at the end of year 13. What can you do with sociology? So because sociology is such a broad course, it fits into most areas of employment. It also fits into study. In terms of skills that you gain being able to analyse content, you gain the skills to being able to evaluate things, a critical way of thinking, and being able to answer long answers. All these skills are very looked upon towards university and will help you when you're there. Psychology. So what is psychology? Psychology is the science of the mind and behaviour. So it looks at why we behave the way we do, what causes our behaviour. Structure of the course is a 2-year linear course, and at the end of year 13 you have 3 2-hour exams. The first one is introductory topics to psychology, so that's social influence, memory, attachment, and psychopathology. Paper 2 is psychology in context, so that's a 2-hour exam and is made up of approaches, biopsychology, and research methods. And paper 3 is the issues and options. So we start with issues and debates, and then we have our 3 options, which are eating, behaviour, relationships, and forensic psychology. There is no other form of assessment. It is these 3 exams. How can you use psychology? So because it is so broad, you can use it in any area. Most areas within employment have some form of psychological area that you can go into, whether it be going into the psychology discipline or business psychology, sports psychology, it's anywhere. It's also very looked upon at universities because of the skills such as analysing and evaluating things. Both sociology and psychology are AQA papers, so if you want to go online, get to more detail, or you can come speak to me, Miss Brown, for any further details that you have. Thank you.